we are going to the creating the first of all this public routes. Okay, I think let's create first of all users field, right? For the view section there is a layout, fine, right? So go to the view, let's create one folder for the website. Oh, already created web, that's great. Okay, let's create here folder another user. Okay, index already we are created, right? Layout with this index is already created. For this here for public web route, let's create first of all the cache draws .blade.php. Another we have to create product draws.blade.php, right? Another we have to create winner.blade.php. Another we need to create here faq.blade.php. Another we have to create contact.blade.php, right? Another we have to create about.blade.php, and then privacy.blade.php, then terms.blade.php. Yes, right? So we have to create this one. Go to the home page, home controller, index, fine, public function, right? Terms, context, privacy. Okay, from the route what we have here, let's copy all these functions for this one. Okay, let's go to the home page. We need to all these functions, right? Let's cache draw public function, cache draw, product draw, winner, contact us, right? About us, privacy, terms and condition, FAQ. Okay, it's easy for the AI development. Okay, let's remove this one, right? All functions we have created according to this one. Let's use file name. Cache draw is only cache draws. Product draws for this one. Winners is, let's use only winner. Contact us only contact. About us only about. Privacy policy is privacy. Terms and conditions only terms, and FAQ is FAQ, right? Okay, let's first of all create a contact page. We'll create cache draw page. Okay, let's go to the first of all layouts, partials, and navbar, right? Here is everything fine, but public route, where is this? This is privacy policy. Let's see, right? Let's route. We are adding the here home page, right? So home page, and there is for the home page, let's see, text white 90, overtext white, right, pyf rounded, but in the last sections we have to add here bg white 20, right? Let's this one. Here we have to use request is route is home, okay, then use this bg20, otherwise empty. This is a home, okay. Same like if Castro, this is what second one is Castro, right? Let's route cache draws, then let's go to the here request route is Castro bg white 10, okay. Same like let's add route product draws 8 product draws, this one another less 8 route winners, let's go to the here 8 route request winners, route FAQs route is FAQs, okay, FAQs, then let's add request FAQs. Oh, this is a contact us, what is this, contact us, right? Yes, contact us. Also use request contact us is a home page, right? Let's see there is an error, unclose match FAQs, okay, I got it. There is not closed, there is closed, any other home page is a partials, route name is a mistake. How these mistakes route, right? Let's final undefined FAQs, what FAQ route, let's see FAQ PSP artisan route killer, routing FAQ is not found, how this possible, have maybe before issue, let's see before issue or this line issue, after removing it will found, yes, that means FAQs is issues, okay. let's go to the cash draw page. Making first of all cash draws, right? Let's create a cash draw page. Okay, and this is a about us page, contact, FAQ, privacy, product, terms and conditions, and this one. Okay, yes, let's go to the cache. Okay, product, okay, winner, okay, FAQ, not contact, okay, right? Menu activates working. Okay, let's see the from the pages, creation, home page. Okay, let's one constructor, public function construct cash draw product draw winner. Okay, let's create here private cash product winner draws. Let's import model winner, right? What we have to do now, first of all we have to cash draw, right? Cash draw needed. What information we have to make here? First of all, let's make this cash draw update expire draws. Okay, let's first of all expired draws. What was the already expired? Let's make for this one. Okay, public function update draws. Okay, let's first of all make this draws expire. Right. Okay, it will be the return static query where status is active, right? If status is active, where draw date list or get equals to carbon now. Okay, that type of cache draw we have to update of what happened, update. Okay, what do we have to update? Status is completed. Okay, because this is no, and status is carbon now. Okay, this will be making a next session. Okay, I have noise here, carbon now. Further session I will make the next session. Okay, thank you so much.